I've had a wonderful time with the career services staff at the University of Wyoming, and we had probably an hour-long meeting and talking about my cover letters, where they gave me critique, where they helped me, and I found it really beneficial. And with their help, I was actually able and am going on job interviews.
I've used career services at UW by doing mock interviews, sending my resume, cover letters, CV in just to be reviewed, as well as attending the career fairs to look for potential internships for the summers. I've had nothing but good experiences with it.
I've been working with career services for almost my entire college career. Through them, I was able to go to do different career treks. And on those career treks, I met my future employer, Simplot Phosphates, which turned out to be one of the best opportunities.
I really enjoyed going to Seattle. I hadn't ever been on a career trek before. It was completely paid for. We got to visit 4 different companies. One of the ones that I really loved was visiting Boeing. We actually got to go on their project floor. So just getting to know them more on a personal level and see what kinds of opportunities they have for engineers like me. I think it was a really good opportunity to kind of work on my professional skills.
We went to Oklahoma City for a trek over there, and we met a lot of companies there that related to oil and gas industry. We got a lot of connections from that, and they are really important people in the industry.
Career services has been really helpful to me while I was here at UW and for my career success beyond. I was a student of the Internship Prepared course, which was a 1 semester, 1 credit course where I learned about cover letters, resumes, applying for jobs. Through that, I was able to get an internship. I was also able to get a full-time job offer.
Our career advisors will do interview prep. If you come in with questions that you think are going to be asked in an interview, they'll help you with your answers and just kind of get you comfortable with interviews. We also have internship for credit. You do an internship either in the summer or during the school year, and it counts towards credit for your schooling, and it's a really great opportunity.
They do career fairs every semester.
I went to the career fair back in February, and that's where I was able to meet my now employer.
2 of the 3 job offers that I got after graduating were from the career fair.
I wasn't exactly sure what was available to me to use out of career services, so when I sent an email, I was really nervous about whether or not they would have anything that would benefit me, but they were super, super kind and encouraging. I feel like I have lifelong support in career services at the University of Wyoming. I left with tons of documents, with tons of feedback on my different application materials, and now I have no hesitations or reservations about utilizing their services.
The feedback that they provided was extremely helpful, and they provided it in a way in which I didn't feel bad about the work that I had submitted.
They really want to get in touch with you and learn about you and cater to you. They're there to help you.
It strengthens your next interviews. Start submitting stuff. It doesn't hurt to get advice early and corrections early. I feel more confident in my interviews that I go into because of it.